there are three main data sources that are going to help drive performance moving forward. First is hashed emails. Emails, they're like the digital passport for consumers, as somebody was talking about earlier. You need them to buy stuff on Amazon, to pass money back and forth on Venmo, and to confirm travel bookings. So hashed emails allow you to communicate with clients across channels, across devices. They also respect client privacy without sacrificing accuracy. And in fact, they're more accurate, making your interactions potentially more efficient. So therefore, hashed emails are critical for addressable advertising moving forward. Second is the first-party cookie. So these are the ones that you're already using on your site. They allow for collecting data that allows personalization without forcing a login to the site every visit. And then finally, historical booking data. This allows for a more robust profile by combining online and offline data so that you can better understand your customer and share that data in a meaningful way to get it activated.